Alrighty, I have a construction update for you guys today on Flight Deck, aka Top Gun, aka Daredevil-er. First off, I just want to say we have 5 tickets left now for May 14th, this Thursday coming up. 5 tickets left. I really want to sell out. We sold out, but then because we sold out, I decided to honor some refund requests for some people that absolutely cannot make either date. So we did those. So we have 5 tickets left. If you want a ticket, message us on Instagram or just go to the website. I'll link it down below in the comment section. There's only 5 spots left. We also dropped our September 12th LRT tickets. So if you want just the LRT tickets, we dropped them again. They're available on the same link. So I'll post that down below in the comment section. With that being said, Daredevil-er now has both trains on the track. Both trains are cycling, and with that, I absolutely think there's a good chance Canada's Wonderland could have Daredevil-er open for the long weekend approaching. I even think they could be rushing, based on what I saw on the drone today, Mindbuster. So I would not be surprised. Take this with the biggest grain of salt, like a boulder of salt. Okay, we're amusement insiders, you know. Take us with salt. We tell you this all the time. There's a chance that Mindbuster and Daredevil-er could be open this weekend coming, but that is just a wild prediction with no backing. So please just take that with a grain of salt. All right. With that being said, here are some of those new brakes on Daredevil-er. They look absolutely amazing. I'm really excited to see just the overall ride experience. The really big coaster nerd in me just wants to experience all the new pneumatics, the systems, the new chain, everything, the new theming, which we'll get to in just a second. But I have a little bit of history here. 2 pieces of epic history with Flight Deck and Top Gun just sitting out here. So look at that. That's the old control panel for Top Gun. That is insane. That is a rare history just right there out there in the open. There's all the new old flush gates that they ripped out. The new ones are all in there because they're 8-person trains now, shorter, so they had to reorganize the entire station. They put a pretty penny into this ride. Again, I would love to see maybe future track work, overall track work done that Vekoma offers for this ride. That would be epic. You know, maybe it's like Mindbuster, a 2-part series. But with that being said, if you look very closely in this video, I tried to show you guys all the new systems in place that they've installed, as well as the paint job. The paint job is now taking the longest. The ride is programmed, it's testing, it's doing its cycles. She's very close to being ready to go. And if I hear anything, I'll let you guys know, because you're obviously going to want to get to the park and experience Daredevil-er, because I think we're all really curious to see how much of an improvement this has provided. But with that being said, it's a sad day. You know, I've been doing Jet Watch for you guys, or B-52 Bomber Watch, for those of you that were there for my epic fail of a mistake. But here is the fighter jet being lifted out of place. There is a smaller biplane that will take its place. I think it's a biplane. I'm assuming it's a biplane, but it's a smaller version. It's not going to be as big as what you see right there before you. That is crazy. That looks like an actual jet. The sign shop at Canada's Wonderland is so talented. This is one of those things that was built actually in-house at Canada's Wonderland. So it's quite epic. I hope they utilize it. I think the only place that I could really see that utilized is the zombie scare zone for Halloween Haunt. But I would love to see it utilized, or for Wonderland to maybe build. They have so much old stuff, especially in Kingswood. Build like a little museum like you see at Cedar Point. That would be awesome. I know we're not a park super rich in history. We're not that old. We're pretty young for a theme park. But with that being said, either a museum type thing or utilized for Halloween Haunt. I do not want to see this shipped off to some American museum or shipped out of country. I really hope Wonderland utilizes it in-house at the park. So yeah, just thought I'd update you guys. Sad day, I guess, it being removed, but oh well. We knew it was coming. There'll be a new plane. I have a whole video to talk about something else. I'm not even going to hint about it in this video. I'm really excited because I'm nerding out over the direction that they're heading with World Expo, and I'm just super excited. So with that being said, that's all I have to talk about today in terms of Daredevil-er. Prepare for its potential opening this long weekend approaching, and also potentially maybe Mindbuster. But that is huge. Maybe. We'll keep you guys posted if we hear anything else. Thank you so much. Have a good one, guys. Bye.